Hope you are good and healthy. Hi, I'm Arshia Sayyar from Rajiv Gandhi English Primary and High School, which is running under Paschim Maharashtra Education Trust. Today we are going to learn a new topic, that is appendicular skeleton. Okay, appendicular skeleton. Before proceeding this appendicular skeleton, we will discuss about the previous topic, that is human skeleton system. In human skeleton system we are discussed so many points, appendicular skeleton, axial skeleton, but in my last video we will just only discussed about the axial skeleton. Okay, in axial skeleton how many points we are covering the skull, cage, rib cage and the spine. Okay, in my last video we was discussed about what is skull, okay, where it is present, how many bones have skull, and what is that second, that is rib cage. Okay, how it is shape of the rib cage and how many bones have rib cage, and third one is the spine, structure of spine, where it is located, what gives to the body. Okay, the whole thing we are discussed in the last video about the axial skeleton. Okay, now in today's video we are discussing about the appendicular skeleton. What do you mean by appendicular skeleton, how it is work, and how many bones have in appendicular skeleton, and which positions have appendicular skeleton. Okay, in human body there are two arms or two legs. Okay, appendicular skeleton means what? First we was discussing about appendicular skeleton. Appendicular skeletons means humans have two legs or two arms which is connected to the central axis. Okay, where it is present? It is present in the upper and lower part of the limbs. Okay, as you know what is limbs is the legs or arms of the human being or a man or a person. Okay, so appendicular skeleton means in which two things are available. One is two legs and next one is two arms. Okay, so appendicular skeleton is not a big topic, it is a very small topic because there is no different parts and different things in that, but only we will discuss about is human body. Human body has two arms and two legs. Different parts of arms and legs have several bones which are connected together. Okay, appendicular skeleton they have two arms and two legs, okay, which is present on the upper and lower part of the central axis. Okay, now after appendicular skeleton we is discussing about the human body. Human body have two arms or two legs. These all are bones. Okay, whatever it is, different types of bones in human body. Okay, different types of bones perform a different functioning. Okay, they perform a very well functions. Okay, different parts of arms and legs together they form a structure. Okay, what it forms? It forms all the bones combined together and form a structure that is interconnected with each other. Okay, all the bones of the body together form a network connection. Okay, that form a network. That network, it is known as the joints. Okay, both bones. Okay, for example, this is a single bone and this is another bone. Both they are come across and combined together and form a joint. Okay, that it is mean as joint. Okay, so in today's video we are discussing about joints. Okay, what is joint, how many types of joints in human body have, okay, what it function. Okay, we will discuss later, but only we will discuss today, that is definition and types of joints. Okay, now before going to the joints I want to tell you one information about the bones. What is that? That information is that human body have a very long and strongest bone. Okay, can you know what is that bone? Human body have the longest and strongest bone. That bone is known as femur bone. Okay, what it known as? It known as femur bone. And where it is present? It is present on the thigh region. Okay, where it is present? It is present on the thigh region. Okay, this is the very strongest and largest bone in human body. Okay, what it called as? It called as a femur बोन, उसे क्या कहा जाता है, फीमर बोन कहा जाता है, जो कि कहाँ प्रेजेंट रहती है, विच इज़ प्रेजेंट ऑन दी थाई रीजन, जो हमारी हिस्सा होता है ना डाउन साइड का नीचे जो लोअर हिस्सा होता है उस हिस्से को हम क्या कहते हैं, थाई रीजन. सो दिस इज द वेरी स्मॉल, दिस इज द वेरी लार्जेस्ट एंड स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट बॉडी इन द bone in the human body. What it's called as, it is called as a femur bone. And same like that, what is the smallest bone in our body? The very smallest bone in our body is present in the ear region. Okay, where it is located, it is located in the ear region. Ear have 3 bones. Okay, how many bones ear have? Ear have 3 bones. So in that ear bones, one very small bone is known as stirrup. What is known as? It is known as stirrup. Okay, have you seen this word stirrup? This is the very smallest bone in our body which is located on the ear region. So this is the very extra information for you, because we are discussing so many topics related to the body and all, and the bones, which types of bones are present. Okay, so largest bone, it is the femur bone which is present on the thigh region, and the smallest bone which is known as the stirrup, which is present on the, or located on the ear region. Okay, understood this? Now coming to the next point, that is joints. Okay, joints, what do you mean by joints? Okay, joints क्या होते हैं? Joints are, for example, this is our one bone and this is our second bone. Both are connected together form a joint. Okay, that is mean joint. इसे क्या कहा जाता है? Joint कहा जाता है. Okay, this is a simple definition. Now come to the bookic language. Joints are the places where 2 or more than 2 bones are connected to each other. Okay, joints क्या होते हैं? Where one or more bones are connected and to form a interconnection, यानी कि दोनों एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट होते हैं और फॉर्म करते हैं एक जॉइंट. ओके, सो दैट जॉइंट इज नोन एज joints. Now on the basis of their function, on the basis of their movability, joints are divided into 2 parts. Okay, how many parts? 2 parts. Number 1 is movable joint. As the word indicate, movable. Okay, what it means? Movable means they are movable, like our hand bone. Have you seen this? Yeah, this bone, this is a movable bone. Okay, likewise this is a movable joint. Or next one is the immovable joint. As the word indicate, immovable, they can't move anything or anywhere. Now come to the movable joint. Movable joint means bones of arms and लेग्स. ये जॉइंट्स कहाँ के होते हैं? ये जॉइंट्स होते हैं जहाँ के हमारे शोल्डर्स के, हमारे हाथ के और पैर के जो जॉइंट्स होते हैं उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? मूवेबल जॉइंट्स. मूवेबल जॉइंट्स, बोन्स ऑफ आर्म्स एंड लेग्स, दैट मीन्स इट इज नोन एज अ मूवेबल. नाउ कम टू द immovable joints. Immovable joints means bones of the skull, the bones which are situated in the skull, okay, on the head region. वो bones they can't move anywhere. Okay, that's why it is known as immovable bones. Okay, but bones of the skull, whole skull, okay, some bones are movable. Which part of the bones are movable in the skull region? That's the jawline area. Okay, that bones are movable because we are talking, we are chewing something. Okay, that time the bones are movable. So except lower jaw, skull bones are not movable. It is immovable bones. Understood this? So in joints we are discussed 2 points, movable joints and immovable joints. Movable joints means जो joints move होते हैं, which are movable. Okay, the bones of the arms and legs. And immovable joints are the joints which are not move anywhere. For example, bones of the skull. Okay, except lower jaw, because lower jaw's bones are not immovable. Okay, they are movable joints. Okay, so these all are the joints, immovable joints and movable joints. From this we are discussing how many types of movable joints and immovable joints we are discussing in next lecture or in next video about the joints in details. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Hope you like this video.